Yo. First order of the day is going to be a Taco Bell.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Do you have a 4-digit check-in code or an order already placed?
I just have an Uber order for Connor.
For Connor, go in full court, please.
Thank you. You say Connor?
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, I think that guy's just trolling. Before he opened the window, I could hear him say, "I could kiss you on the mouth," to his coworker. Anyways, let's go drop this off. Turns out there's a Taco Bell about a mile away from where they live, so why did we order from so far away? And the open sign was on, I just saw it. So maybe it was closed at the time that they ordered, but doubt it. I was still like half asleep when I started this video. I don't even remember if I said what that order was. That was a Taco Bell, $18 going like 8 miles. I bring that up because I just checked and $18. That was a no tip, all base pay. I mean, I guess I don't have to worry about that being a tip bait, being so high mileage. Made it back into my zone and got the next order. This one's gonna be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this is a McDonald's going like 2 miles. I'm just expecting a no tip.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today? Give me just a minute. Just go ahead and pull to the last window, please.
Okay, thank you. That didn't sound too promising.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Total for that one was $12. What the? Huge tip on that one. That's crazy. Thank you, thank you. Definitely was not expecting any tip, because I looked at their order and I saw free sausage McMuffin or something. Something was free. Usually when that's the case, they're just not going to tip at all. But pleasantly surprised. Thank you, thank you. Next order up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 3 miles. Thank you. Okay, no tip on that one. Total for that one was $4 and change, and got this next one right away. It is a McDonald's going about 3 miles. And that's gonna be another no tip. Total for that one was $3 and change. Very nice, very nice. Been a little bit, but finally got the next order. This is a Muchas Gracias going about 4 miles. About to pull in, haven't even reached the restaurant yet, and they're asking for extras. That's always a good sign.
What else is ready?
They're asking if they could get another red and green sauce. Thank you. You too. Total for that one was $9. Okay, not bad. I'm glad I asked for their sauces. They deserved it. Next up is a Subway. This one's going 7 miles. Thank you. You too. That's gonna be a no tip. Very nice. Total for that was $5. So garbage. Next order up is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
For order.
Yeah. Thank you. Total for that one was $7 and change. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a kitchen table cafe, $9 going 5 miles.
That's all you can.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one.
You too. Pretty sure going right back to the same restaurant and the one right next to it. Got a stack going to two different people. We've got Kitchen Table Cafe and Muchas Gracias. I think it said it was like $11 going 5 miles, something like that. I have this ordered. Thank you.
Thank you. No, venga.
Head to your pickup at Kitchen Table Cafe Orchards.
I got Destiny. No drinks, right?
No.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next order up is a Starbucks going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. It says dogs. Literally, all it says is dogs. Total for that one was $6. Just got the next order. It is for, I don't know if you can see it or not, but Red Leaf Organic Coffee right here. This one's going, I think it's at 4 miles. Thank you. You too. No tip. Total for that one's gonna be $5. I think I'm just gonna go home. I'm kind of over all the no tips today. Current time is 8:59. Total is, I want to say around 80 something, but I'm still waiting on Uber tips, so I have no clue. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.